This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome, hi viewers. In this video we will learn some examples to understand the concept of the for next loop, and then we will execute a program and we will show the output on the screen. So first we are gonna create a program to print the sum of series of even numbers starting from 2 and ending at 100. So how we're gonna execute it, let's see, and let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic. So here we are, viewers. The line number 10 we will type CLS, line number 20 we will take a variable n and we'll assign 0 to it. Line number 30 we will type for I is equal to 2 to 100 step 2, because we need the increment of 2, so we will type step and we will type 2 with the step keyword. Line number 40 we will, you know very well that 2 is the initial value, 100 is the final value, and as the variable is going to have all these starting and ending value and having the increment of it. So then we will again take a variable n and we will type n is equal to n plus I, since we would like to print the sum of the series of the even numbers starting from 2 ending at 100. Line number 50 we will type next I. Line number 60 we will type print sum of series equal to double quote semicolon n. So this n is going to have the value of n as well as the value of all these values. Like first the loop will start from 2 will be added to 0 because the initial value of 0 is assigned as 0 to the n, so 2 will be stored in n. Then it will again repeat its value, and the next value will be, since there is an increment of 2, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so 2 is already stored in n, so 2 plus 4 makes 6, so 6 will be stored in n. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, so the 6, we already have 6 stored in n, so 6 plus 6 makes 12, so 12 will be now stored in. So now this 6 carries, so this I variable carries 6 and this n carries 6, so 6 plus 6 makes 12, so 12 will be stored in n, so on and so forth till it reaches the 100 and will show the output on the screen and as an n. So now I'm gonna run this program and will show you the output of the screen. On the screen I press F4 key and type for next 2.bs, name of the program, or we can type sum of series, sum of even number, sum of even is the name of the program. Again we'll press F3 to load the program, type sum of even.bs, press F2 key. So viewers, this is the total sum of series. This is the value of n, which is having the repetition of the values 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then added into it, then 4 plus 2 6 added into it, and then 6 plus 4 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 2 12, so on and so forth till it reaches 100. When the loop reaches the final value 100, then it will be terminated and the value of the n will be shown on the screen, which is 2550. This is the first program I discussed right now. Now I'm gonna discuss one more program, and the other program is we will type today to understand the concept of for next is we're gonna create a program which prints all the odd numbers from 1 to 100. So what we will do, we will type 10 CLS, we will type 24n is equal to 1 to 100, since we want to show all the odd numbers from 1 to 100, so we'll type 1 to 100 in step 2, because you know the odd number always starts from 1 and there's an increment of 2, like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divided by 2, which are not divisible of 2, so we're gonna use a number which is an increment of 2. So starting from 1 ending at 100, and this is an increment of 2. Line number 30 we will type print, and because this is the number we're gonna show on the screen. Line number 40 we'll type next, and line number 50 we'll type end. Now we'll save it by pressing the F4 key and type odd.bs. We'll type for odd.bs. Now we'll type F3 again, type for odd.bs, press F2 key. So these are the numbers starting from 1, and all the numbers cannot be shown on the screen. So you can see all the numbers starting from 1 ending at 100 by an increment of 2. So this was the code of the program, and this is an output. Now we can see that by starting the variable from 1 and finalizing and ending at 100, because we need to show the number from 1 till 100 and all the odd numbers, so we need to give an increment of 2. So we just need to show that variable which is containing starting from 1 ending at 100, and there is an increment of 2. So we just use the same variable and showed it with the print statement. And next is the keyword which is used to close the loop, and same variable will be used over here, and is the code which is used to end the program. So this is the, and then we type print sum of series is equal to n, and then end. So this is the whole program. We need to make some changes, like we need to delete 50 because we don't need it. So now we will press list, so you can see, and then we can again type for odd.bs, and then launch it for odd.bs, and then type list. So we just don't need the line number 50, so we have just raised it. Since we don't need the line number 60 and 70 as well, so we'll type delete 60 and delete 70. So we'll type list. So this is the whole program, we just need it, and we can type. Now we again need to save it. We'll type for odd.bs and then load for odd.bs, type list. So this is the whole program, press F2. So this is the whole output of the program. So that's all for today. We have discussed two different programs. One is used to show the sum of series of the first even numbers starting from 2 and ending at 100, and the other one is to show and print all the odd numbers starting from 1 and ending at 100. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video, viewers.